Go. Louder.
Oh man, I'm wasting my time.
Come back.
I'm wasting my time.
You're not wasting your time. Kyron, come here. Come give me a hug. Kyron, come back.
See this little circle right there? That one was talking about that little circle.
That's my computer, hon.
That's how we record it.
No, hon, that's not how we record it.
Yes, it is.
Say something to the camera.
No,
Why not?
I'm not doing it.
Say hi. Don't be mean. Say hi.
Hi,
Say, what's your name?
my name is Kyle Alexander Marshall.
And how old are you?
I got out of the shot.
Get back on the shot. Ah. What's that?
The microphone.
That's an odd looking microphone. Come back in the camera. Not your hand, your whole body. Go.
Can you see me?
Yes. Dance. Show you your best dance move.
Yeah.
Jerk.
Yeah.
You know how to jerk?
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
Ah, get it, son.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
Show me your cute shoes. What kind of shoes are those?
Boots.
What kind of boots?
Black boots. Black chocolate boots.
Are they cowboy boots?
Yeah.
Why'd you get cowboy boots?
Because football let me wear them. I wanted to wear them at the same time yesterday.
Yeah, you wore them yesterday too.
Uh-huh.
That's cute. Okay, tell everyone bye.
Bye.